Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to understand chlorophyll structure. We'll start by looking at its fundamental role in plant life, specifically how it captures sunlight for energy. Then, we'll dive into the molecular architecture that makes this process possible, breaking down the main parts of this fascinating pigment. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind one of nature's most important molecules. First, let's examine the porphyrin ring, which acts as the head of the chlorophyll molecule. This intricate ring structure is where the magic happens, as it's responsible for capturing light. Right in the center, you'll find a single magnesium ion, playing a critical role in the molecule's function. This unique arrangement allows chlorophyll to efficiently absorb the light energy plants need.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, we move to the phytol tail, a long hydrocarbon chain attached to the porphyrin ring. This tail is essential for embedding the chlorophyll molecule securely within the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. Its hydrophobic properties ensure that the molecule stays in place, allowing for optimal light absorption and energy transfer within the plant cell. It's like an anchor for the entire structure. Did you know there are different types of chlorophyll? The two main forms found in plants are chlorophyll and chlorophyll B. They have very similar structures, but differ by a small chemical group on their porphyrin ring. This subtle difference is important because it allows plants to absorb a wider range of light wavelengths, maximizing their photosynthetic efficiency. Both are vital for plant survival.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.